Assalamu alaikum class 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 18th of May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine. So in yesterday lesson we studied about the concept of division involving division involve decimal numbers. Isn't class? Okay. So for this, first of all we have a number which is 4.35 divided by 1.5. 4.35 divided by 1.5. If you look, the first number which is 4.35, isn't class? So according to this number we have two decimal point. How we can say this? Because we have points and after point we have two numbers. So in this way we can say we have two decimal point in this number. Fine? And the other number which is 1.5. So in 1.5 we have one decimal point. After point we have only one number. So we will write one decimal point. ये clear हो गया सबको? Okay. Now we will write this into fraction form like this. We will write first number in numerator and we will write second number in denominator. Okay? So what would we do in next step? Who will tell me this? Yes, Mariam, you tell me. Very good. We will write. For this, if you look, we have in denominator point. So first of all, we will convert this into integer. Okay? So integer बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 10 से multiply and divide करेंगे. Fine? 10 से multiply and divide करेंगे. ये clear हो गया सबको? क्यों करेंगे? Because if you have one decimal point, so one decimal point है, so उसके on the basis of this we will take 10. अगर 2 decimal point होते so we will take 100. अगर 3 decimal points होते so we will take 1000. So डिनोमिनेटर की बेस के ऊपर जो है हम मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हमें जो है डिनोमिनेटर में क्या चाहिए होता है? इंटीजर. We want integer in denominator. Fine. Now when we will solve this, we have 43.5 in numerator. जब हमने इसको सॉल्व किया, so हम लोगों ने we have learned this when we have a decimal point and we have the other number which is 10. So if you look, we have only 1 0 है तो क्या करेंगे? हम उस पॉइंट को 1 डिजिट आगे मूव कर देंगे. We will move this point 1 digit. Okay? So we have 43.5 in numerator. Now when we will solve 1.5 by 10, we have 15. We have 15. So on the basis of this we have made 15 in the denominator. Okay? ये कंडीशन फुलफिल हो गई कि डिनोमिनेटर को हम लोगों ने क्या करना है? इंटीजर बनाना है या फिर होल नंबर बनाना है. Now in fraction form we have 43.5 by 15. So for in next step we will simply divide this number. So we will write 43.5 inside the division and 15 is outside the division. जो न्यूमरेटर होता है हमारे पास उसको हम क्या लेते हैं? एज अ डिविडेंड. और जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है उसको हम क्या लेते हैं? एज अ डिवाइजर. Is it clear class? Okay, now we will read the table of 15. So 15 1 times 15, 15 2 times 30, 15 3 times 45. अब 1 digit ले सकते हैं क्या हम? Can we take only 1 digit? No, because we can't divide 4 by 15. हम अगर एक डिजिट लेंगे तो क्या हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? No, because 4 is smaller than 15. In divisor we have 2 digit number which is greater than divisor dividend, so we will take 2 digit number which is 43. अब हमने 15 को जो है वो उसके 15 का टेबल जो है वो क्या करना है, हमने रीड करना है और उसके नियरेस्ट लेके आना है. So we have 15 2 times 30 and 15 3 times 45. So class, if you look, 45 is greater than 43. So we will take 2 times 30. 2 times 30. So who will tell me what is the next step? Yes, Aman, you tell me. Very good. We will subtract here because it is the rule of division. Fine. यहाँ से start करेंगे. We will start from right side. So very first we have 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. So we have 3 and the next number which is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay class. So if you look, we have 13 in dividend and 15 in the divisor. So क्या अब हम इसको जो है आगे नेक्स्ट सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? No. If you look, we have dividend is 13 and divisor is 15. डिविडेंड जो है वो छोटा है और डिवाइजर जो है वो क्या है, बड़ा है. सो वी कांट डू दिस. सो अब इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will bring down this number here and this number will make 3 digit number which is 135. क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास? 135. जैसे ही हमने इस नंबर को नीचे मूव किया है, this point will shift in the quotient. Okay class? जो पॉइंट है वो कहाँ में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा? क्वोशिएंट में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. एंड 5 जो है वो कहाँ में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा? डिविडेंड में. इज इट क्लियर? ये सबको क्लियर है? ओके. नाउ वी विल रीड द टेबल ऑफ 15 to make the number which is nearest to 135. 9 times देख लेते हैं इसको सॉल्व करके. 9 5 times 45. 2 digit number, so I will write 5 here and 4 as a carry like this. Is it clear? Okay. 9 1 times 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Very good. So ये इसके exactly equal आ गया, so I will write 135 here. Okay. 2.9. When we will divide 43.5 by 15, we have 2.9. So class, this is all which is related to your previous lesson. In today's lesson, we have negative decimals. We have negative decimals. So in this lesson, we have learned about, we will learn how to solve decimals involving negative numbers. Is it clear? Negative sign involving decimal numbers. Okay, exercise number 2D, page number 52, question number 9. Evaluate each of the following. Fine class, we have A part first, which is 4.3. 4.3 minus bracket minus 3.9. Okay, we have a question in which two decimal numbers are involved. The first is 4.3, isn't class? And what is the next decimal number? Very good. The other number is 3.9. We have two decimal numbers, and if you look class, we have negative sign involving these two numbers. So हम लोगों ने previous जो exercise है, exercise number 2C, उसमें हमने पढ़ा था कि when we have negative sign involving like this, so उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, साइन टेबल को फॉलो करते हैं. इफ यू लुक क्लास, वी हैव टू लाइक साइंस. अब ये भी माइनस का है और ये भी माइनस का है. सो व्हेन वी हैव टू लाइक साइन, व्हाट वुड वी डू? हम क्या करेंगे इसको सिंपल? वेरी गुड. अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन टेबल वी विल ऐड. अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे कोई नंबर है ब्रैकेट से बाहर, नो, सो इट्स मीन ये क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्विंग हो रही है. ठीक है, वी हैव involve multiplication. So according to sign table we will minus minus plus. So in next step we will write 4.3 the first number as it is, minus minus plus 3.9 as it is. जब हमने इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व किया, so according to science we have plus. ठीक है, we have plus. In next step we will simply add two decimal numbers. Let's see here how we will do this. Okay class, like this, 4.3 plus 3.9. So 3 4 upper and 9 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 3 4 upper and 9 4 lower. In total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have two digit number which is 12. ऐसे ही है. So we will write 2 here because we have unit place is 2 and 1 as a carry. 1 as a carry. So for next 4 point जो है वो क्या होगा, as it is point के नीचे आ जाएगा. For next we have 4 plus 1. 5 4 upper, 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 4 lower. Is this class? Okay. So in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. In total we have 8.2. In total we have 8.2. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया? How we will solve negative sign involving decimal numbers. Decimals involving negative sign. How we can solve this? हम कैसे भी इसको solve कर सकते हैं? ये सबको क्लियर हो गई चीज? Okay. Now I am going to repeat. You have to be listen very carefully. I have question number 9 from exercise number 2D, and the statement is evaluate each of the following. and the first part is 4.3 minus bracket minus 3.9. Okay, so if you look class, we have two decimal numbers. First क्या है हमारे पास 4.3. First number is 4.3. Okay, 4.3, and the other number is 3.9. But if you look, we have negative sign and we have also negative sign involving bracket. So क्या करेंगे अब हम इसमें? According to sign table, both signs are multiplied. क्यों multiply हो रहे? Because there is no number outside the bracket. अगर यहाँ पे कोई हमारे पास कांस्टेंट होता तो हम उसको जो है क्या करते, प्लस माइनस करते, बट यहाँ पर कोई कांस्टेंट नहीं है, सो वी विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन टेबल. फाइन. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस, टू लाइक साइंस जो है इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं. सो जब टू लाइक साइंस इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, सो इन द एंड वी विल सिंपली ऐड. हम उन नंबर्स को क्या करते, ऐड करते, चाहे वो एडिशन के हों चाहे वो सब्ट्रैक्शन के हों. We will write plus here and 3.9 as it is. In next step we will simple add these numbers and we get 8.2. Okay, let's take another example in which two different signs are involved. B part 2.8 plus minus 1.5. Okay class, we have two numbers. The first is 2.8 and the other number is 1.5. So I will write first number as it is, which is like this. If you look, we have two unlike signs. हमारे पास यहाँ पे कौन से signs हैं? Unlike signs है. First is plus and other is minus. So ये हमने rule पढ़ा था. When we have two unlike signs, we will simple write minus in the end. Okay? जब हमारे पास two unlike signs होते हैं, so हम according to sign table क्या करते हैं? Minus. We will write minus here. Minus. And number is 1.5. Is it clear? In next step we will simple subtract like this. Fine. So 2.8 minus 1.5. Is it clear class? 2.8 minus 1.5. Now I am going to start from this side because it is the rule of any operation. 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 इसमें से हमने subtract कर दिए. How many are left class? Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Very good. We have 3. Okay. Now point जो है वो as it is आ जाएगा नीचे. The next number we have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 2, and we will subtract 1 from it, and we have 1 in the end. Isn't class? 1 in the end. So we will write 1 here. So when we solve 2.8 minus 1.5, we have 1.3 in the end. Okay? 1.3 in the end. So who will tell me what is the sign with the greatest number? अब इसमें इन numbers में से greatest number कौन सा है? Very good. 2.8. So what is the sign with 2.8? 2.8 के साथ कौन सा sign है? Very good. We have plus sign. ओके, जब कोई साइन नहीं होता सो इट्स मीन वी हैव प्लस साइन. सो अब हम असाइन जो साइन करना है n पर 1.3 के साथ वो किसकी बेस पे करेंगे? वेरी गुड, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर. So in this number we have greater number is 2.8 and the sign with it plus. So plus sign आप लिखें या ना लिखें उससे कोई फर्क इतना खास नहीं पड़ता, बट आपको ये समझ होनी चाहिए कि we have plus sign. Okay, we have plus sign. So class, this is all which is decimal numbers involving negative sign, and how we can solve decimals involving negative numbers in today's lesson. If you look any difficulty, you can ask me, and you have to solve question number 9, all parts related to this from page number 52 in your notebook. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.